You searched for how to buy shares of nLIGHT Inc., so I will walk you through the process. nLIGHT Inc. builds high-power lasers and photonics equipment, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LASR, and this video is for educational purposes only. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LASR to find nLIGHT Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name to ensure you have the right stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for reference. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and LASR ticker to make sure it is the correct stock. Click Buy or Invest, enter the amount you want to invest, and carefully review the order before you confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, eToro will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.